Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and watching this video. So today's video is going to be on this party makeup look. It's like a high shine, metallic, almost glittery looking makeup. So if you're interested in watching, then just hang out and let's begin today's video. Starting by using my NYX Photo Loving Primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face and then move on with color correction. So for that I'm using the Kiko concealer. This is like a shade darker for my than my skin tone. I'm going to use that to color correct under my eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead with the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. This is the illuminating one. I'm just going to use my favorite foundation brush to buff that out. This one is the Beige foundation brush, and I'm just going to spread the foundation as I go along and then buff it into the skin. And now I'm going to be using the PAC Spotlight Concealer to kind of highlight my under eye and like the center of my face. And I'm just going to dot that off and then begin blending it off. And for that I'm using the Weishi Beauty Sponge. It is a damp, and I'm just going to blend away all the concealer that I just applied. Once that is done, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So this one is, I think 16.5 is the number, Toffee. I'll link all the products down below. And I'm just going to use that for my contouring. It gives the most natural finish, and that is why it is one of my favorite foundations. And I love it for contouring and as well as like an overall foundation, obviously in a different color. And I'm just going to blend that off and then use my powder. Since it is a party makeup tutorial and I wanted it to be a little bit more long lasting, I'm going ahead with the baking process, but I'm not going to bake my face for a long period of time since I have dry skin. So I just wanted everything to be like a little bit smooth, and also my foundation is illuminating, so I don't want to apply too much powder so that the entire effect goes away. Now I'm just adding some more dewiness back to my face. I'm using the Boho Chic blush from NYX. It is their cream blush, and on top of it I'm just using this one is from Makeup Geek, I suppose. I'm just using that blush and just contouring the face back again with the NYX Pro Highlight and a contour palette. I'm using a darker shade to just add the warmth back to my face. For my highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby Highlighter on an angled brush. This is basically a eye makeup brush, but I'm using this for highlighting. So I'm just going to be highlighting my nose, my cheeks with it, and just to get a dewiness back into my face, I'm going to spray my face very heavily with the Milani spray. And once my eyebrows are done, I'm moving on to the eyes. I'm using this orangish shade to, I'm just going to kind of buff it off on my crease area, and then I'm using this maroonish shade and just going back and forth trying to blend it really nicely. For the this is from TS Cosmetics. It is their loose pigment in Dime Please, I think that is the name. And I'm just going to wet the brush and apply it. And I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything like that, it's just freehand. And this one is this is a black gel liner. I'm going to apply this liner pencil basically from House of Makeup, and I'm just using the smudger brush from Weishi to kind of smoke out the liner, and I'm also giving it like an angular shape. um, as you can see, I'm just drawing it off and blending it as we go, and that is it. And I'm just doing like a black eyeliner on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to add a pop of color. But if you don't want that, you can just kind of ignore that and just go ahead with a brown or black eyeshadow. I'm using this teal green kind of a shade on the bottom lash line and buffing it off with the same shade that I used for my crease and transition shade. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter one more time for my inner corner and eyebrow highlight. Curling my lashes using the Weishi curler and applying lashes and mascara, and we'll quickly move on to the lips. So I'm just going to line my lips. This one is from Kiko Milano, and my lipstick is from Pat McGrath. I mean, such an amazing shade. I think the shade is called Flesh 3. I'm going to list all the products down, and yeah, this is the final look, you guys. This is a look you can easily sport at in any Indian wedding functions, or any other cocktail parties you want to go to. I hope you all had a good time watching this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out here with me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.